Hi everyone, my name is Vince. Here we go again. Another scam, another day, brothers and sisters. Get ready, we're playing Color Block. Now, the problem is with Color Block, so many people are saying that this is the most ripped off, rigged game you can possibly imagine that kind of forces you to watch ads, okay? I don't know, I never tried it. But you guys know my deal. If you don't know who I am, I like to play scam apps and expose them on YouTube. Pretty straightforward, okay? I've just started my Discord channel, guys. Feel free to join, like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Let's see what's going to happen here, okay? So, I need to get 30 more scores to have a chance to get cash out. Are you on Fairyland time? Like, is this for real? Is this crazy time now? What is this all about? Usually these scam apps give you like a $100 or $200 USD cash out minimum. Now they're just going to the point where they're like 30 more scores to have a chance to get cash. A chance to get cash, everyone. What is going on? No wonder people are flipping out about this app, bro. I can't wait to try this out. Here we go, guys. Okay, this is exactly what I've played before. Dude, this is just a neon version of Woody Puzzle, I reckon. I'm not even joking right now, dude. There are already apps like this out there in the marketplace. You're joking me, bro. Surely not. Oh, $15. Oh, I just want $15, guys, for doing nothing. There we go. There's the cash out. 28 more scores to have a chance to get cash. And $150 cash out minimum. Just want $15, apparently. God, man. Google, you need to start regulating your freaking Play Store, man. I don't know what planet. Do you know, I don't want to talk bad about Google because they're allowing me to actually have fun making videos here. Why is it going instead of 28? Why is it going to 49 scores to get more cash? What's going on with this app? Already it doesn't make sense. It went from 28 to now 49. What? I guess that means the score of the app itself. See at the top here it says score, everyone? They're just doing it in a really weird system, bro. So if I get 49 more points, then I'll get a chance to get cash. Does that make sense, guys? And what the biggest reviews are about this app right now, what the biggest problems are, apparently the deeper you get into this app, the less rewards will happen, which is so typical with every scam app I've ever played on the Play Store, bro. So now cash should appear. There we go. So look, now we're up to already $36. Don't let it trick you, bro. Don't let it trick you. This is going to slow down very soon. Legitimately, this is going to slow down very soon. We'll start earning like $6, then $5, then $3. It won't happen yet. It will happen once we get past about $100, okay? I can almost guarantee it. I'll bet my channel on it, dude. This is a scam and how I think it's going to go. The reviews don't lie, guys. My tip to you, if you're ever curious to see what app is legitimate and what app is not legitimate, check out the player reviews. Because 1-star reviews might be trolling sometimes, but most of the time they won't be trolling, okay? They'll tell you the truth. Because there are people out there that have dedicated their time, bro, to this app, okay? This is something you have to remember. People have actually dedicated their time to this app. And they really thought it was legit when it's not. There's a $6 reward. I knew that was going to happen eventually, dude. So I'm done. I lost, so whatever. Let's see if it gives me an ad straight away. I'm wondering. Revive. No, I don't care. But yeah, always look at the reviews if you're curious about if an app's legit or not on the Play Store. That's my best tip to everyone out there. That's the best way to find out, bro, because as I said, reviews don't lie usually. I'm just going to try and build up through the middle here. I'm actually going to try and just do this as silly as I can just to get the score. Because you got to think, you get a score every time you place down a block. Now we're down to $5 rewards. See what I mean, everyone? See what I mean, dude? Here we go. It's starting up already. It didn't even take me to get to 100, bro. Didn't even take me to get to 100, man. That is hilarious. Oh my god, get off my screen. Right, so let me just go up here. Oh, I should have put it there. That's alright. Actually, no, I can go back in time. Hang on. Oh, no, I can't. Okay, I can't go back in time. I thought I could reverse my shot. I guess not. That's okay. Thanks, app. $6.48. Okay, so we're doing it alright right now. See, the app itself, right, would be okay if you want to waste time. Now we're down to $4. Guys, just give me $1 million. Dude, I'm literally the genius of scam busting right now at this point. I'm calling this out before it even happens. Do you know how stupid these apps must be? Do you know how basic they must be? If I'm able to, literally within 3 minutes of playing them, call out how they're going to try and scam you. It's all the same software. It's all the same developers. It's all a joke. And these people think they're so clever, bro. They think they're so smart by copying and pasting their software and trying to upload it under different names. Ah, bro. I mean, what do you do? What would you do if you're me right now and you know these are scams and you know Google's allowing it, but you just have to play them anyway? Do you know what I mean? And you might think, like, oh, why do you play them? I play them to save you guys time. I'm not joking, everyone. Like, I'm saving you so much time right now. For the people that would have thought this is legit, I've just saved you legitimately an incredible amount of time. You have no idea. Because the rewards get smaller and smaller, so you have to keep grinding and grinding and grinding. Oh my god. Oh, you can count! Good on you, man! Look at these Muppets. Seriously. Look at these people, dude. Stack Puzzle Plus. Another one. Another stack game. How many apps are like this out there, dude? What are we gonna do with our lives? Oh, I got my McDonald's coffee cup right now. I give up. I mean, guys, if you're not... What are you meant to do? Look, now we're down to $3.92. See, we went from $15 to $3.92. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Like, you want to... I know you want to rip people off hard, right? But why?
In today's market, I'm gonna be teaching you how you
now the ads are spamming us as well.
Money over and 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 over.
Alright, teach me how to get PayPal money over and over and over and over again. What's this app? Joy Blast. I've already played this app on my channel before. Dude, they're all the same apps. Oh my lord. This is freaky as. I mean, what do you do? What should we do, everyone? Do we just give up, or what? Because Google's obviously not going to care. It's obviously got to that point where Google doesn't care. This is so weird to me that this is allowed on the Play Store. And Google bans for nothing, by the way. You can literally say one wrong thing on Google and you get banned. Yeah, now the ads are just hammering us. Now the ads are absolutely hammering us, bro. This is all part of the scam, dude. Like, I love it. There's no ads at the start, and now there's ads 7 minutes into the app. Isn't it just fantastic, dude? Isn't it fantastic? Seriously. So dumb. So dumb. How do I've lost this, dude. This is over, right? Surely. Oh, no, I'm still going here somehow. No thanks. Freaking hell, it keeps spamming me with these ad prompts, man. It's frustrating. There we go, nice. $3 now. Oh, we're still going here. Oh my god, dude, there's a pop-up every second to spam me with an ad, bro. Look at this trash, man. Yes, I want to earn real-life money through this. Come on. Puppy shoot a ball. Yep, can't wait to see my real-life money I want to make from this, bro. It's going to be great. Anyway, I'm getting off Color Block. This is the most dumbest app, man. And it's such a copy and paste, carbon, like, legit copy of everything. Every scam app you can imagine. Guys, join my Discord. Let's hunt down these scam apps together, okay? I need some help. I'm all on my own right now trying to find these apps. Let's try and find them, alright? Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe out there. See you later. Avoid this Color Block app. Catch ya.